If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button, like and share this so that you will not miss the next video that is coming. Alright, now today, as it is, you all know Google Translate. If you look at it, this is the page. You can go to translate.google.com, okay, which is the page that we are going to make use of today. But as it is not this Translate, Google Translate, that is going to pay you. We have companies that you are going to partner with that will pay you, and people will pay you to do the work. Okay, so how are you going to do this? To translate or transcribe audio, transcribe from video, header and other subtitles and many more. Very simple. All you need to do is to open this page. The moment you open this page, Google Translate or translate.google.com, then the moment you are there, what you need to do is you choose which country or language are you going to translate it to. Is the document, the text, what the audio in English? If it is in English, you select from, or you put detect language. That is in this case detect language. Either you put it on detect language or you put it on English. Then where are you going to translate it on? You choose where you want to translate to, the language you want to translate. Let's assume I want to translate to let's say Malay, for instance. Okay, for people in Malaysia. Now let's assume we want to translate to Malay. Now the next thing you are going to do is to change this. Okay, since what I'm saying is in English. Now this is the audio. You can see turn on voice input. Can you see it here? You turn this voice input on. Now you click on allow. The moment you click on allow, it will start working. You can see that all this I'm saying, everything is picking it and is translating it already. Okay, so the moment you click on allow, it will start picking everything that you are saying. Whatever you are playing, if you are playing music or you are recording any, whatever sound that is coming from there, it will be taking it and be what? Translating it. Are you getting it now? So the same way, if it is audio or video you want to transcribe, you want to translate, all you need to do is to play it. Put your microphone close to either the phone or where the video is playing. As it is playing, this your Google Translate will be doing what? Automatically decoding and translating everything. As you can see, the way everything I'm saying is coming out here, isn't it? You can see it very well, right? So that is the way it is. Now, the moment you have done this, you can see everything here, isn't it? It's still picking what I'm saying, okay? You can see it here. So it is now translating it. After it has translated and you are done, then you stop it. What do you do next? You click on copy. You copy translated. Can you see? So you copy, then you now save it in your document format. Okay? So the moment you save it in the document format, in your document file, from there you save it. Now let's assume this is what we have just translated. Now what am I going to do again? I will now change it to PDF format and then send to the person that gave me the job. Alright? Now I have succeeded in completing the job and the person will pay me. Are you getting it now? So we have about 3 different companies I'm going to show you today, which you can partner with, and they are going to pay you at different rates. Okay, now one of the companies we are going to look at today is this. Okay, so you can see this instruction. I'm going to paste it in the description box below, so you just go through it step by step and you get it done. This is the first website we're going to look at today. All you need to do is you copy this website. You go to your browser, open the browser, then you paste. Okay, I use this shortener to shorten it. Okay, so the moment it opens, you first of all display ad. Then what you need to do is to do what? Wait a little for 5 seconds, then you click on what? Skip ad. Are you getting it? So the moment you click on skip ad here, it will now take you to the actual site that we are going. Alright, so which is this particular place. So we'll just wait for it to redirect us and then we are on the site. Okay, that is this place. So wait for it to redirect. After a while, it will now take us to this particular site that we are going. So here now, it will take us, just wait a little bit. It will redirect you to the particular site. This is just from Ad Network. Okay, this other company can also pay you. So I'm going to do another different thing again because this site is delaying too much before it brings or take you to the real destination. Okay, so as it is, we just wait. Then the moment it takes you to that place, then it's because I've not clicked allow. So when you click on allow, okay, just click on allow. So the moment you click on allow, it will now redirect us to where we are going. Can you see it now? So it was because you didn't click on allow, that is why it is still in that place. So right here now you can see everything here. So now if after you click allow and you're getting something of this nature, what did you click on the setting, then you click on block, you click done. Okay, so you won't see that again. Now this is the site. This website is known as for Go Transcripts. That is the first website. Now the moment you're on the site, what you do is what? You click, you register. Once you register an account with them, then if you go straight now, you can see what they say. It says we pay competitive rate for our online transcription job. Can you see it here? So the online transcription job, they pay competitive rate. You can see up to 0.6 per audio or video minutes. Can you get it now? So if the audio you are transcribing is about 30 minutes work, now what it means is that you are going to do what? So let's assume we are going to transcribe a 30 minutes audio. Okay, so 30 minutes audio, transcribing it at the rate of 0.6 per minute will now give us what? 0.6 multiplied by 30 times 30 minutes will give you how much? $18. Can you get it now? That is for this. Now if an average earning per month is this, you also have that is for this particular site. You can earn as much as $1,215 monthly, okay, from this particular site. That is site number 1. So all you need is to go through the website, the instruction, follow, and then you apply, then you get everything done, and that is it. So you can also go scroll down again. You can still go through the referral affiliate link. Okay, you can go through as an affiliate. When you refer, you also get paid for it. You can see high rating company, Go Script affiliate program. So you can start earning as an affiliate. You go through it here, you see the amount they pay like this. You get a 10% lifetime affiliate commission on business generated. Can you see that? So that is point number 1, the first website. Now the second website again we are going to look at is this. They are also going to pay you for the job you do. Now you open it again, you go to the browser, you paste. Now the moment you paste it there, you allow it to load. Once you finish loading, then remember the same process. You do what? You skip the ad, you click on allow. So right here, just close this one, you wait 5 seconds, then you click on skip ad. So once you skip ad, then it will now take you to the site. It will ask you to press allow again in this case. So you just click on allow, then you move on to the next stage. Is that clear? So that is just the way it is. So click allow. So now it will take us to the site that we are going to. So right here we're on the site. So remember this, what I told you again. Once you are here, you click on block everything and you're done if you don't want to see the advert. So that is it. Now look at this. This particular is called rev.com. Rev.com is a site that will pay you. You can see earn $100 per new customer. For every person that you refer to them, you earn $100. Can you see it now? And you are paid through paper or ACH direct wire. That is it. So what you need to do is just go to click on home, that will take us to where we are going. Now right on home you can see it, fast quality on demand services. So right here you can see transcription. This one pay $1.2 per minute. That one is 0.6. Can you see it now? So this one pays higher. Okay, up to subtitle $3 to $7 per minute. Now let's assume we are going to work on subtitle, translate your video with foreign subtitle. Can you get it now? So what you do is paying $3 to $7. Let's assume we bargain at $5. Now bargaining at $5 and the subtitle maybe it lasts for like the video is 20 minutes video. Now 20 minutes video multiplied by $5 per minute, that is about $100 just for one job. Can you get it now? So it is again depend on the kind of work that we are doing. All right, so that is it. You go through the site again, then you sign up with them. Then you can also go through, if you scroll down, you also see the referral, which I've already shown you how you can earn $100 per client that you send to them. Now the last one, which is the third website we're going to look at, is this. Now this site here, also you look at it, that will take it the same process again. You are going to take, it will take you, then you are done. So once you are on this particular site, so you wait a little bit for it to go. So the moment it's finished loading, then it will take you, so you click on skip ad. Okay, this particular one I'm still going to show you how you can make money with this adf.lib and how you can use them to generate traffic to your site and any program you are promoting. All right, so maybe watch out for my next video. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do so by subscribing now. Okay, you go to my channel here, you click on subscribe so that you will not miss the next video that is coming. Make sure you click on subscribe, then click on the bell icon and click on all notifications so that you will not miss anything. If you fail to click all notifications, Google will not send you notification when I publish the video. But once you click on all notifications, you receive every notification. You receive notification on all the videos that I publish. So the next we're going to do, you click on this skip ad. So the moment you skip ad, then it will ask you to do what? Allow this. Then you click on allow. It will continue and redirect us to the site that we are going. So right here, it will now take us to the particular site. So you can see here it is GMR transcription. Okay, So you still follow the same process. You block this ad if you don't want to see it. So you see right here now you can see everything. So refer a friend. So I put the refer a friend link which you can see here. So for every friend that you refer, you get $25. Can you see now? Free $25 Amazon gift card from them just to refer your friend. Okay, so you register and you continue your job with them and you are paid. So let's go home now and look at how much we are going to be paid for each job that we do. Okay, so if you scroll down now, you can see the work, everything here, the company they partner with, and everything. All you need to do, just go through the site as it is, then you apply, then you start working. Okay, so right there you will see everything. Once you apply, approve, then your job is done. You start making. You can see so many persons who are also already working with them. Okay, and so on and so forth. You can see company voice file accepted. You can see them. Then test file accepted and all this one. So look at the company that are partner with them. Okay, their certification from this PCI, from MBE, from women owned small business friend Forbes, and so on and so forth. Alright, so that is it. Now if you go scroll down again to their refer a friend, I already showed you that one again. So that is about it. These are the 3 websites that pay you to transcribe audio or whatever job it is that you have, and you are paid for it. So what are you waiting for? Go now and apply. Register. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so that you not miss the next video. If you have any question, please, I want you to comment below. Let me know what you feel about the site, your experience and how it is. Let me know so that I'll know what and the kind of video you want me to record again next. Let me know. You can message me, you can drop a comment, I will reply, and then I'll give you the kind of video that you want. If there is a particular one you want, if what like in that side now, if it is not, your country is not allowed or accepted, then tell me. Then I will record a video that will be accepted, where your country will be available and it will be accepted, and you start making money. I want to make sure that a lot of person's life are changed, transformed online. Start making money online. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed.